Dans l'épisode précédent de Radio Light, vous êtes un officier de police enquêtant sur la disparition d'un enfant dans la forêt de Ashwood Creek. D'étranges signaux radio provoquent des situations surnaturelles au cours de votre enquête. C'est alors que vous finissez par retrouver le suspect principal dans cette affaire, Harvey Waters. Mais celui-ci a l'air confus et n'a pas l'air d'avoir toute sa tête. Quand tout à coup, il vous attaque avec sa hache. Après avoir échappé de peu à la mort, vous vous retrouvez sans radio et la jambe amochée, perdu au plus profond de la forêt. Saurez-vous survivre aux dangers de cette forêt avant qu'il ne soit trop tard ? C'est ce que nous allons découvrir aujourd'hui dans Radio Light. Et n'oublie pas, je suis en live tous les jours sur Twitch et YouTube. Oh là là. Il y a une nappe sonore qui s'installe, j'aime pas trop ça. Attends, il y a des cailloux. Attends, je connais ça, non ?
Oh, great. This looks totally not creepy.
What is it?
Got a rock here, prominently placed. Symbols carved into it.
Symbols.
Ouroboros.
Yeah, it's the Ouroboros again. What does that mean?
It can mean a bunch of things, but mostly depicts an endless cycle, sort of.
Cycle. Harvey mentioned cycles.
That mean absolutely fucking anything to you?
He said Elliot was in the circle.
Harvey said that.
Yeah, whatever that is, it's our key to finding Elliot.
Ok. Donc on doit tout reporter en fait à chaque fois. Genre vraiment le niveau du style de ce jeu.
Remember the missing person case from a decade ago? It was up there in the park too.
Vaguely, that was... I wasn't on the case.
One of them was Harvey's brother. His name was David. They never found him, or any of the answers they were looking for.
Ils ont dû trouver des indices.
Really? No clues at all?
No body, just a few items left behind. You're better off just focusing on what we've got on Elliot.
Ah, le terrain était accidenté ici aussi. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça ?
Another set of footprints. These are not like the others, though.
What does that mean?
They're, well, they don't look exactly human.
Like it's an animal. Wolf.
And this is no wolf. The spacing, it's bipedal.
Look, it's a wild animal. Probably would kill the poor deer. He's a
Un
police
ours?
guy, strong build. He takes off running.
Right.
Alors les empreintes... C'est bizarre en fait que les empreintes soient comme ça. Et après il a fait... Hop. Hop. En fait tu sais, il dit bipédale mais en fait... Les empreintes sont en pieds joints donc c'est à dire qu'il sautille sur place en fait. Il fait des petits sauts. C'est un kangourou.
I found a really weird sign here. Area closed by the U.S. government.
What? Shit, you're at that sealed off zone they cleared out years back.
I thought that was just a rumor.
Well, I think the feds might have been up there sniffing around after David disappeared.
Et donc...
How do I get out of here?
First, you should find a fence or something you can get through. Then we can get you to the camp and you regroup at the search
Donc je
point.
suis obligé de traverser la zone...
Should I go past the sign?
Well, if you want to get out of there, yeah.
J'adore comment il demande. Et t'es sûr que je dois passer le signe ? Bon bah écoute. Donc là en fait il y a un signe du gouvernement qui disait comme ça ne pas traverser, la zone est fermée. Et lui il nous dit que la seule façon de sortir d'ici ce serait éventuellement de traverser cette zone et trouver une clôture pour pouvoir la traverser. Attends c'est moi, il y a une tente. Alors que la zone est censée être fermée. En fait plus on avance dans le jeu, plus on découvre des choses.
I found this letter in some wooden box inside a tree here. The serpent returns. The forest is awake again. We shall meet again and finish the vision of Victor Thorne. Any idea who Victor Thorne is?
Who knows?
Oh. Oh. Ok. C'est pas très engageant de voir ce genre de photos alors qu'il fait nuit et quelque chose dans une zone interdite.
I found an old tent out here. Military, or federal. They left stuff out here, but it looks abandoned.
Of course they did, and they didn't tell us shit.
Really? Not even you?
No.
C'est la musique... C'est la musique de Stranger Things, là.
They left behind a clipboard. Looks like one of the first reports.
Anything interesting in there?
They took some measurements. Radiation. Mentions of some type of an anomaly and comms interference.
Je confirme.
Sounds...
Strangely similar to what just happened to me.
I don't know.
Est-ce que je peux la lire? Alors, niveau de radiation dans les normes attendues, interférence des communications confirmées, multiples anomalies détectées, le point le plus haute intensité semble se trouver sous le site actuel. Les civils ont déclaré avoir vu une lumière intense avant la disparition du sujet, interdiction d'accès au public immédiate recommandée, et confinement du vecteur. Tout document relatif à l'opération Rivière d'encre est qualifié. Oh. Un circuit.
There's a report here, mostly redacted, but it mentions something about the collapse of Black River. Calls the site unstable.
Black River. There's no Black River around here.
Maybe it's just a code name.
C'est sûrement un codename. Mais ça commence vachement à m'intéresser cette histoire là, les gars. J'ai trouvé une planche et j'ai trouvé en fait un coupe-boulon. What the fuck?
I'm in the middle of a stone circle.
What?
It looks like
On dirait des cadeaux de
you can
serpents géants.
insert something into the stone here.
What do you mean insert something? How do you insert something into a stone?
Pretty easily. It looks like there's a shape.
You got anything?
Nope.
Should I even do it? Who knows what'll happen?
Sounds sketchy, but we're on our way to get you out of there. And maybe it'll help us find more clues of what the hell's happening.
Objet perdu. Donc il faudra qu'on trouve un objet et revenir ici. Sauf qu'en fait, le truc c'est que je sais pas où je suis. Ah si. Ah si, je me suis retrouvé. Donc si je continue de descendre, c'est bien en fait. Si je continue de descendre, en fait, je vais pouvoir retrouver mon chemin. C'est-à-dire que si je veux remettre quelque chose ici, il faut que je revienne ici. Ah mais il y a un portail. C'est con. Le grillage est là. Je peux pas l'appeler pour lui dire que j'ai trouvé le portail? J'ai trouvé un portail, je peux pas sortir. Attendez, je suis pas allé là. Oh, j'ai trouvé un truc. Grâce à ma hache. Merci Gimli.
There's a cave opening here. I think I hear a faint noise from inside.
Cave opening? I wouldn't go there, Ethan.
You think whatever the feds were investigating could be in here?
Just be careful.
Oh, j'ai un chemin double. En bas, est-ce que je vais là? Je suis parti à droite. Hein. Et les deux chemins mènent au même endroit. J'adore. Oh, j'ai vu un truc là.
What the fuck? Rob, I found a cavern here. I saw eyes in the dark, and there was some kind of a movement.
Eyes in the dark. Come on.
J'ai vu un truc rouge.
I can't remember the last time I slept a full 8 hours. I must be seeing things.
Don't sweat it. The last few days have been tough.
Is that a fucking totem?
What?
Made out of thin sticks, held together by a couple of ropes. Centerpiece is a skull. Looks like a snake, judging by the teeth.
Gros snake, hein.
Snake cult. This shit is starting to get fucking crazy.
Il a pas dit que c'est un gros serpent, parce que j'ai jamais vu des serpents avec une aussi grosse tête que ça. Hein. Vu que c'est le culte du serpent, ça m'étonnerait pas qu'on entende du fourche-langue là.
It's a full-on ritual site. There's bones, candles, everything. I can't fucking believe it.
Man. Fuck.
Yeah, they must have done all kinds of rituals down here. And some of these candles are lit.
You think someone's been there recently?
Maybe.
Il y a de la lumière allumée, donc ouais.
What the hell is this for? Looks about the same as what Harvey had in his trunk.
Ouais, donc c'est Harvey qui était là, c'est sûr.
The serpent whispers beneath the noise. Only those who listen will move forward.
I hope you
Oh.
don't just lose your mind.
I found something in the cave.
The fuck? That mean anything to you?
The whispers part, maybe. There's
Oui,
static
j'entends.
in here, almost like the signal's off somehow.
Let me know if you figure out what that means. I'm looking into the Ouroboros thing.
Il y a surtout des champignons bleus, hein, mais bon, ça on...
The serpent leads us to truth. Through its coils,
Oh my god.
the serpent leads us to truth. Through its coils, our souls cleansed by repetition.
You figure out anything about the symbol yet?
The serpent
Not really.
leads us to
I
truth.
got an idea.
Through its
The radio's picked up some weird shit before, right?
Our souls cleansed.
Only those who listen will move forward.
Serpent leads us to truth. Through its coils,
106.
our souls cleansed by repetition. The serpent leads us to
Echo beach serpent leads us. Truth. Wait.
Oh my god.
Remember us. Beach echo.
Is this your site? Are you the cultists?
Confirm not. Possible. We are many. Echo 1 0. Echo beach come. Higher dimension. Access possible.
Huh?
Access possible.
Higher dimension? How do I get there?
What the fuck?
Silly. Approach.
Bad. Police.
Turn back.
It is out.
There.
Waiting. Waiting.
For you.
Me? What's waiting?
Beach.
Echo.
Comets.
Robert, I just used the radio down here. Some kind of voice came through. It was distorted.
Ça me rappelle Control en vrai, comment c'est fait.
It knew I was there. Said things about access, higher dimensions. And some kind of a gate opened here when I tuned the frequency.
Alright, let's try to stay grounded here.
This isn't just random static. It talked to me.
Okay, let me know immediately if that voice shows up again. And don't touch anything else that talks back.
J'avoue. On va éviter de parler aux shruks qui nous parlent. Ce serait peut-être une bonne chose. Une bonne chose. Ouais, je parle sur le bout de la langue maintenant.
I found something. Looks like a makeshift lift. Wooden frame, ropes, pulleys. Looks like amateur work, but sturdy enough.
Lift. Cultists must have built that shit. That's insane.
Ah, j'arrive dehors. Donc là, je suis descendu dans la vallée, je suppose. Est-ce que je suis? Je suis toujours au même endroit. Mais non. Je suis de retour là? Mec! J'ai tourné en rond? Alors on retourne en arrière. Il y a une deuxième porte là. Je peux la déverrouiller. Je peux pas la déverrouiller. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ce bruit? Vous seul?
Got something by a water pool here. Compass. Looks classic. It's... Wait, hold on. The needle's spinning.
That's not normal, right?
Non.
No. No way. It's like the thing's caught in a field or something. Like something's messing with it.
Did you say you found it?
Right near the water. On a rock.
Oh, I'm starting to get worried. Who knows what the feds found out there?
Un truc radioactif?
That kind of reaction might not be random.
Yeah. It's in good shape, too. Check if there's a name or marking.
Il y a un truc.
Rob, Holy shit, it's Elliot's compass.
Wait, you sure?
His name's on the back. Marker's faded, but it's there.
What the hell? How did he even end up down there?
I
Il y a
don't
des
know.
herbes là-haut.
There's no path in, nothing he could have used. There's a metal door, but it's got an old chain on it.
No way. Area's fenced out, unless they'd fall in like you did. You think someone planted it?
I don't know, it's a stretch.
Anyway, this changes things. It's the first clue we got. At least one that's
The
tangible.
fuck?
Yeah, the trail's
Plus
not
j'avance, plus
cold.
je trouve des trucs.
Not completely.
Ok. Alors là maintenant, nous avons traversé une autre porte barricadée et on a littéralement une statue géante.
I found something here. Some kind of inscription.
What does it say?
Led by the will of the Ouroboros. And a name. Overseer Victor Thorne. Looks like he wasn't just some believer. He was the one running it.
En vrai, le truc, ce qui est intéressant, c'est que ce jeu, ouais, voilà, cette pièce-là, en fait, il y a plein de couloirs, plein de différents couloirs qui mènent à droite, à gauche, et si on les suit tous, on finit par tomber sur tous les éléments, en fait. J'aimerais bien avoir une lampe qui éclaire plus que ça, quand même. Oh! J'avais pas vu ça. J'avais pas vu. Il y a le kangourou qui est là. En tout cas, c'est sûr que sur les attaques, j'ai pas trouvé un objet à mettre là-dedans. Oh, c'est la boussole! LOL! Oh bah j'ai bien fait d'appuyer sur E. Hein. Bah lol. Oh my god.
What the fuck? What are you? Symbol's here again. What does that mean?
Wow, 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 wow. Je fais quoi? Je fais... C'est pas un alien ça? J'arrive pas à courir. Ah! Je vais mourir! Non! Je veux pas! Dégage! J'ai essayé de fuir, j'ai pas réussi. Il m'a ramené ici. Ah bah attends, Attends, je suis juste mort en fait. Donc ils vont me refaire ça. Je pouvais rien faire. Je suis attiré par lui.
What the fuck? What are you?
Allez!
The symbol's here again. What does that mean?
Je peux pas fuir! Mais je peux pas fuir! Laisse-moi fuir! Putain. Oh! Oh non non non! Non non non! Non non non! Je sais pas ce que je fais, je m'enfuis, je tourne en rond, je peux faire que ça! Il est juste derrière moi! Qu'est-ce que je sais pas? La radio!
Which way?
North? North?
South.
Echo.
Beach.
Oh!
Holy shit. What just happened? Hey, you hear me? I'd appreciate your help here. What I've seen is just fucked up.
J'ai trouvé!
You gotta be kidding me. Don't tell me the battery's dead. God damn it with these things. Where do I charge this now?
Chargez votre talkie-walkie. Est la porte ouverte maintenant? Ah oui, elle est ouverte. J'ai utilisé la radio m'a dit
Metal
des
door
directions
like this doing in the middle of the
et ça m'a
woods.
sauvé. Bon, c'est pas des aliens, hein. C'est un... C'est l'ennemi qu'il y a... J'ai oublié le nom. C'est un bébête qu'il y a dans Witcher 3, là. Un Lechen. C'est un... Et c'est la même bébête, hein, avec les cornes de cerf et tout. Hein. Moi, je serais lui, je me barricaderais dans la maison, j'attendrais le matin. Hein. Hors de question que je continue de me balader en forêt alors qu'il y a des trucs bizarres avec des cornes de cerf qui me poursuivent avec des yeux rouges. Crime scene, ouais, forcément. Les flics ont tout
Where is
barricadé.
everyone?
Bah c'est ça en fait, ils sont passés où? Sont passés où les gens? On peut pas aller ici, c'est verrouillé. 106. J'ai du scotch. Walkie-talkie charger is available for anyone taking part in the church. Ah, nice. Dans la cabine numéro 3. Ok. Donc il faut que j'aille dans la cabine numéro 3 pour trouver un chargeur de talkie-walkie. Alors attendez, je vais voir de l'autre côté. Ah, c'est la cuisine.
Food's half eaten. They must have left in a hurry.
Ouais, c'est comme s'ils sont partis d'un coup.
Still full. Didn't stick around for a refill. What the hell was that sound?
J'ai pris un tisonnier. J'ai fait du feu, tiens. J'ai entendu un bruit à l'étage.
What the hell?
Là, j'ai eu peur.
An electrical problem?
Enquêter sur la panne de courant. Je peux pas ouvrir les portes. Guest room luxury. Guest room classique. Ok. Ah voilà, le truc de courant c'est ici. La musique fait tellement penser à du Life is... ça fait vraiment penser à Stranger Things je trouve.
What the hell? The cable's cut.
Il me faut une passe coupante et du... Ah, j'ai déjà le ruban adhésif. Maintenant la pince coupante là les gars. Bon bah écoutez, je crois que j'ai trouvé la pince coupante de façon totalement aléatoire mais efficace.
Who goes there?
Easy there. Are you armed?
You bet I am. Get out of here, you
peur, lui.
slimy little thief.
Je suis inspecteur de police.
I'm Officer Collins, Ashwood Creek Police.
Hold on. You're a cop?
Il a des petites
Sorry
jambes, le monsieur.
about that, mister. Name's Fred. I work here. Receptionist, groundkeeper, you name it. Was asleep in the back when the power went out. Thought I'd check what was going on.
Hey, Fred, someone's cut your wire. You've had a lot of thieves around here?
Oh, yes. Thieves, hooligans. That's why I came here.
You're not even armed, are you?
Nah, most scumbags just need to be threatened with a gun. And then my charisma does the rest. Thank you for patching the cable. Are you looking for the boy too? Like the fellows in the search
Il a des
group?
petites jambes toutes maigres. Hein.
I'm looking for them. Where are they?
They were just here. I helped serve dinner even, but something spooked them. They cleared out in a hurry.
Oh.
What spooked them?
Beats me. Just woke up, power's out, and now you're here. Look, it's cold out. Why don't we sit down inside? I'll
Yep.
make us some tea. You look like you've had a rough night.
Oh oui. En fait, au niveau de son design, il me fait penser au voisin dans Hello Neighbor.
Hope you don't mind it strong.
Un thé fort.
So, what brings you out here this late? Something to do with the boy, huh?
Something like that. What about you? Why are you still here?
Someone's got to keep the lights on, eh? Plus, this place doesn't run itself. Especially with the search party coming and going. They need a fellow down here they can count on.
Can I ask you a couple of questions, Mr.
Kirkley. But call me Fred, and ask whatever.
T'as les grands bras, Fred, hein.
There was a scout camping trip 3 days ago, where the boy went missing.
Oh, yes. Terrible.
Do you know anything about it?
Well, the camp's been around forever. Kids have been pitching tents and learning how to tie knots out there since before I even moved here.
What about Harvey Waters? You know anything about him?
Oh, sure. The Rangers and the Scouts cross paths all the time. Makes sense, right? Rangers keep an eye on the park, and the Scouts are always out hiking, camping, poking around. Harvey was friendly enough with them.
What does that mean?
Well, you know, basic stuff. Trail safety, teaching the kids to identify poison oak from regular shrubs, that kind of thing. Wasn't close to them as Luke was, but I do remember seeing him and Elliot talking a few times. But Elliot seemed to like him, almost look up to him.
Why would a boy like Elliot look up to Harvey?
Well, Harvey knows these woods better than anyone. Kids think that sort of thing is cool, knowing the trails like the back of your hand. But isn't that kind of odd, officer?
What?
Elliot disappears, and then not long after, Harvey's gone too. You tell me if that's a coincidence.
Certainement pas une coïncidence, oui.
What about the search party? You said they were just here. Notice anything unusual?
Well, they've been in and out a lot, mostly at night. Seems stressed. I don't blame them, considering the kid's still missing. But Luke, the scout leader, he has not been acting right. I'll tell you. Kept pacing outside, muttering. I saw him exchange a few words with Harvey yesterday, but it felt off entirely.
Did he say anything to you?
No, not to me. Then the group left in a hurry. Haven't seen them since.
Et le
You've
culte
been working here a while, haven't you? You must know the park pretty well.
Oh yeah, coming on 30 years now. But some folks say the park's got a weird history. You know, small town, lots of gossip, little proof.
What kind of gossip are we talking?
Oh, the usual. People claim they've seen lights in the woods, heard voices. There's even talk of that old cult from the 70s. Oro something?
Ouroboros.
Ouroboros.
Yeah, that's it. Creepy stuff. But probably just stories to scare the kids.
Thanks for answering my questions.
De toute façon, un culte
Oh,
qui s'occupe
absolutely.
des serpents, là,
Wasn't
forcément,
much,
c'est
I'm
Saint-Pantard.
afraid. If you're heading back out there, be careful. The woods can play tricks on you at night.
Thanks for the tea. I'll keep that in mind.
Yeah. Oh, merci. Clé de la cabine de recherche. C'est à l'étage? C'est celle-là? Ah, yes. Bah, c'est pas... Oh! Pourquoi j'ai l'impression que ce meuble peut être débouché? Ah!
What the? Is that a hidden drawer?
Ouais.
What the hell is this? Who keeps these in a hidden drawer? And all the symbols around. Who are you, Fred?
Oh non, Fred. Elliot Lair, je suis parti. C'est bon, c'est la clé. Oh, le bordel.
They were covering Sector 4 tonight. Then they went to the camp.
Y a pas de
And
signal ici.
then, where?
Je sais pas où ils sont partis. Et je peux juste charger mon talkie-walkie là.
What looks like small footprints up above the quarry. Could be him. Maybe he doubled back. I'll check the lower path alone, just in case. I know the protocol, Carter. I'll keep the line open.
No luck here. Anyone got anything near the lake?
Sentinel speak is cleared. Wait, did you hear that?
Cut the chatter unless it's relevant.
I know you are.
Oh.
Don't trust the silence.
After your name.
E-T-H-A-N.
This is Ethan. Robert, do you copy? Over. I
Robert?
repeat, this is Ethan. Over.
Jesus. You went dark on me for hours. I was ready to send a damn chopper.
The walkie died back at the Stone Circle.
Where are you now?
Blackwood Camp.
You grouped up with the search party?
Non, ils sont pas là.
No, they're gone.
Gone?
They must have pursued a lead. They're not here.
Fuck. What else happened?
Minuit. 10 minutes plus tard.
Jesus, Ethan, you're telling me you fought a monster, or whatever, with a radio.
I know how it sounds.
Ça sound crazy,
Sounds
frère.
like you're slipping again.
I'm not drinking. Not on duty. Not anymore.
Doesn't matter. It's the same.
C'est vrai, j'ai pas bu, les gars. J'ai pris la limonade, j'ai pas pris la bière. Vous pouvez prendre la bière, j'ai pas pris.
Vanish. You chase things that aren't there. Then you're backhammered. It's the same shit.
That was years ago, and you said you wouldn't bring it up.
Barely remembered anything. You were talking about voices and shit. Sounded like a total lunatic.
And you didn't believe me. Just like now.
I did believe something happened, but you were a wreck, man. And I didn't want to add fuel to that fire.
What does that mean?
Well, you know, we had people missing. Feds out there.
You knew what the feds were doing.
Not all of it. Just enough. But now you know too.
So, you lied. You call yourself my friend.
Well, first of all, it's a government secret. I wasn't even supposed to know. And the fact that you're my friend is why I had to lie. I was trying to protect you.
Ouais,
Your career would be over. We wouldn't be talking now.
c'est vrai.
So, what now?
Well, you're in the middle of it. Tell me what you think.
I talked to Fred, the camp groundskeeper. He said Luke Jenkins was out of it, kept pacing outside before dinner. It's not a coincidence that the search party disappeared all of a sudden. They must have found something. But must have found what? Why didn't they radio in? Rob?
Merde.
Do you see it?
What? Stop fucking playing with me, Robert.
Shut the fuck up and tell me if you see that too.
See what?
See what?
Go outside.
Oh, ok. Faut que j'aille à l'extérieur. Oh wow.
The fuck? I see it.
So there's a huge fucking light beam in the sky, right? It's not just me.
You see it from the station?
Right, it lit up the whole town.
It's just past the camp. Looks like Misty Trail.
They mentioned this in the report, right? The one in a
The
tent.
fuck?
Civilians mentioned a light. Site deemed unstable. You believe me now? There's some real fucked up shit happening here.
You know what? I'm done just sitting on my ass. I don't know what the hell's going on, but this thing it's not natural.
So, what now?
Make some calls, getting to wherever I can. I'm coming to the park myself.
You sure?
Ah non, il va venir.
But if we're gonna face whatever this is, you're not doing it alone.
Ok, c'est gentil. Oh, moi, je serai pas tout seul dans la merde, je pense.
I'm in the ranger tower.
Like up at the abandoned one?
Doesn't seem abandoned to me. Someone's been using it. There's stuff inside. Harvey's left his badge here.
Wait, really? So he's
Yep.
using it, but what for?
Eh ben... Réparer la station. Oh, ben voilà. Amplificateur de signal. Ah, merde. Du coup, j'ai pu réparer un peu la station, mais il me manque des trucs. He's still out there, so in last winter, same place.
What the? Is that someone's voice? The radio base just turned on. I'm getting something. I think it's a voice. Distorted, though.
That's odd. Base radio should be active.
I can't make out what they're saying.
Check the antenna. If it's out of alignment, that might explain the distortion.
Do you copy? This is Officer Collins, Ashwood Creek PD. Hello? Radio check.
Marche
Radio
pas, hein.
check. Someone was experimenting with radio tech. Signal theory, frequencies, antenna setups. All handwritten.
Jesus, was it Harvey?
Looks like it. He was trying to reach someone.
His brother?
10 years back. Dozens of pages. Trial and error. There's mention of the light.
You see that?
Donc en fait, il parle de la même lumière. Il y a que des mystères dans le jeu, j'aime bien. Et là, pour le coup, je suis un peu en mode, je sais pas trop quoi faire avec ça. Il me faut un truc pour réparer le signal. Et je l'ai pas ici avec moi. Donc je vais juste continuer mon chemin vers la lumière. Regardez-moi ça là. Il y a un truc bizarre là.
I found some kind of a thing.
Une anomalie, les gars.
What does that mean?
Ouais, le but, c'est un peu perturbant.
It's some kind of a force. It won't let me pass.
What the
Like, I
fuck?
was given your phone number by... No, sir, this is a real emergency. We got a light beam in the sky. Yes, I know how that sounds. No, I'm sure the FBI will be in on this case soon, but I need assistance units now. Sir? Sir? Fuck. You on your way to the damn light?
I am. This thing's in the way.
Well, you gotta find a way to get past it.
Scout.
Good.
Scout.
Find out.
Soon. Scout. It was
Now.
What the fuck?
It's just up ahead. You're gonna love this.
Are you sure we're allowed?
No signs,
What?
no gates, just stone and time.
Okay, just feels off. Is that the point?
You'll see. Places like this stick with you.
I just saw something. I tuned into a frequency and there were people. A boy and an older guy. Just like that.
A
In
boy?
front of me.
Describe them.
One was Elliot. I'm sure of it. They were heading somewhere. Sounds like they were already coming from the woods, though. The guy mentioned showing Elliot something cool.
Jesus.
Yeah, and that wasn't a recording. They were right here. I could hear them.
You think you saw some kind of a memory? Or a different dimension?
What the
Yeah,
fuck?
different time. And I saw what looked like Luke and Elliot.
Really? Maybe you were right to suspect Luke. But he's been helping with the search. He reported him missing.
Yeah, Something doesn't add up.
Ah, attends, il y a des gens. Il y a du monde.
Robert, I'm at the light beam. There's people down here, in robes, standing in line toward the light. You copy? Of course.
LAPD!
Hello?
Oh, moi j'ai eu peur.
Elliot?
Hey, Mr. Jenkins? Is that you?
I'm here. It's okay.
You've got to help me. I think it's gonna happen again.
What is? Where are you?
I don't want to. I think he's returning. Hurry! You've got to help me before he plugs me back in.
Rebranché.
Hey!
Oh non, un éboulement. Je peux plus sortir par là. Pourquoi il bouge lui? Elliot? Du coup, je fais quoi avec tous ces gens là? J'ai une idée, mais ça va pas vous plaire. Ok, j'ai trouvé. Ok, c'est bon. Oh! Ça les a fait s'incliner. En fait, je suis en train de chercher des ondes radio. Oh, 93. Bleu. 95, 96 et l'autre c'est 106. Donc c'est 94, 94, 95 et 106 à chaque fois. Hein. Ah. Là c'est à 98, 99 c'est 100, 101, 102.
Echo Beach, do not touch. Do not.
Il se passera quoi si je tousse?
What happens if I do?
One sees it. One forgets. No one.
Return.
Do not touch. Do not.
Where is Elliot?
Echo Beach, Beach.
Echo. Light.
Connect. Close.
Soon.
Close, close.
Ok.
What's Echo Beach? What are you trying to say?
Hall. Hall. Echo Beach. Home. Home. But trap. Trap.
What the hell do you want from me?
Anchor.
Vessel. Signal.
Un vaisseau.
Tune. Weak shape. Ethan. Ethan.
Oh.
Indecisive.
It is Ethan. Close.
It.
Echo Beach. Far away.
En fait, apparemment, moi, je choisis la fréquence et eux, ils donnent forme à ce que je fais. Les individus qui étaient en machin ont disparu. Wow, putain, non! Je suis de la merde! Non! Ah! J'aime pas ce monstre! Je vais juste tourner en rond. Je suis bloqué ici, hein. Ça marche? Oui, ça marche! J'ai trouvé 93. Wouh! Allez! Encore? 3 fois le nombre du jeu vidéo? 8 fois, ouais, 3 fois. Dégage! Va-t'en! Je te battrai avec cette radio.
I don't know what the hell you just did, but the whole town just shook. Lights flickered. We lost power for like 30 seconds.
Oh merde.
Add that to the list. I
Damn.
saw Elliot in the light beam. He screamed for help, then he was just gone.
You what?
I had to fight off that thing again. I don't know, man. I don't know what just happened.
Jesus Christ. Alright, I managed to raise a few guys from the county before the phone went out. I'm switching to handheld, and I'm leaving now.
Retourner au camp de Blackwood. Ok.
I'm heading down into some kind of old quarry. Trying to find my way back.
Copy that, I'm getting in the car. Signal my get spotty. Only call in if it's urgent, alright?
Ok.
Got it.
And don't stay in that quarry too long. Not exactly what I'd call a safe place.
Bah ça va en vrai, moi je pensais que c'était plus profond. Shit.
Rob, I'm seeing blood on the ground. Not old either.
You sure?
Yeah, spattered across the dirt. Leads off the trail, I think.
Alright, don't jump to conclusions. Could be an animal. Anything. Can you follow it?
I already am.
Okay, stay with me. We're on the road.
Ok, c'est bon. Dans cette... Oh. Ça fait beaucoup de sang quand même, hein. Ah, si je descends par là, j'arrive au camp de Blackwood. Mais si je vais là, je suis le sang en fait. Ah mais, je suis à côté, je suis à nouveau à côté de ce truc là. Oh merde. Tout à l'heure je vais arriver... Oh, il y avait pas ça tout à l'heure. Il y a une voiture qui est partie aussi là.
Ah, fuck.
J'ai trouvé.
Legs broken.
Je me suis cassé la jambe. J'ai pris la clé.
Got a dead body here. It's Harvey.
No. No way.
There's a photo in his hand. It's David and him.
Can't this thing go any faster? Ethan, are you sure it's him?
It's him.
God damn it, give me the scene details.
Looks like his left leg's broken. Snapped. Drag marks would suggest he crawled. Crawled from something.
Right, or someone.
He's on his back, head turned to the side, one arm's out, reaching for the photo.
He knew something. He was onto something.
Whatever it was, it got him killed.
That's it. Our only lead on Elliot's gone.
Maybe with what Harvey's been doing up at the tower. I heard someone's voice. If I can get the signal going, maybe it'll give us a lead.
Hell yeah, do that.
Chercher des indices, un clan de Blackwood pose emprisonnement. Ah donc il allait chercher le truc de coaxial, c'était juste là en fait. Hein. Donc j'avais pas besoin de chercher trop loin. Il y avait un colis.
Found a delivery box next to the body. There's a thing inside.
A thing?
Attendez.
I'm not like a tech nerd, okay? Looks like some electrical thing.
Okay, but what's it doing next to Harvey's body?
Maybe he was on his way to use it.
Well, see if you can figure out what it's for.
Ouais, c'est pour réparer l'antenne, ça on le sait. Hein.
Wound looks weird. Sloppy job.
Bizarre. J'ai juste à monter là-haut et à réparer l'antenne maintenant. Il est très mystérieux. Ça fait pas peur, mais il est cool. On va réparer l'amplificateur de signal. Maintenant, oui.
This is Officer Ethan Collins, Ashwood Creek PD. I hear you.
Oh, thank God. I didn't think anyone would answer.
What kind of trouble we talking?
I was out here with some friends. We were just messing around, camping at the picnic tables down at the visitor center, you know? Then Lisa and Tyler ran off towards the boathouse. I went after them, but I got turned around. I remember water. A lot of it. and a light.
Can you tell me your name?
David.
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 David
Have you been
Kaiden.
injured?
Listen, we won't do this again. I promise, mister.
There's a missing kid. This is important, okay?
What? A missing kid?
How do you not... There's a search operation for a 14-year-old boy. Listen, everything's going to be okay. There's more officers on the way.
Oh, thank God. My name's, David.
Hmm.
So you said, David. Nice to meet you.
I didn't say anything. Did they call the cops on us? Are you here to arrest me? I
What the
swear we
fuck?
just wanted to camp. Fuck. Harv's gonna kill me.
You mean Harvey? The park ranger?
No, my brother. Shit. This is so fucked. Hello? Hello?
Il est en train de perdre la boule.
Anyone hear me? I need help. Help, please, help.
What the fuck? Bon. Il y avait déjà une chaussure ici? Ça m'a pas beaucoup aidé en fait, hein. Ah. Oui.
Yeah, it's just us. Why?
I don't want this bouncing around dispatch. You've gotta stop showing up like that, man.
Hein?
Rob, what? What are you...
I covered for you again today. Said you had food poisoning?
What the fuck is this?
This is me trying not to get you fired.
What?
Constant hearings in a week. Mia needs her fucking dad. Present. Clean. You promised me, man. You promised her.
Already happened.
We'll talk when you're back. Don't fuck this up again.
Wow! Wow! What? J'ai lagué, les gars. J'ai eu un rollback.
Same goddamn stretch of trees. And nothing. Every night. What the hell? No way. What the hell are you doing this late, Jenkins? And with a kid? What are you thinking? No. You know the caves are sealed off. There's no markers, nothing. What the hell are you doing, Luke?
Rob?
Yeah.
Are you... real, Robert?
What is this, test? Yeah, I'm fucking real.
I just heard a voice. It was David. David Waters.
What?
He spoke to me like he was still out there. Like it was yesterday. And then I heard you. Not the you now. You from years ago. This place isn't just haunted.
Vous jouez de faire la musique,
It's
putain.
fractured. It's bleeding different timelines
Ça
together.
fait peur la musique d'un coup.
I don't expect you to believe that.
No. I believe you.
I had another one of those time distortions. It was Harvey. He was watching them.
Who?
Elliot and Luke. They entered the caves that night. He led Elliot through the caves.
Fuck. And now Harvey's dead.
And Elliot might still be down there.
J'ai la
I'm
clé
going
maintenant.
down to the caves.
Ethan, we're like 30 minutes away.
I'm doing this alone.
Fair enough.
I'm doing it. The right thing, for once.
Go, man.
Ok, il faut que je retourne juste à la... un peu comme au même endroit que tout à l'heure où j'ai dû grimper. Je suppose qu'on va avoir le fin mot de l'histoire maintenant. Elliot! Jenkins! Police de Los Angeles! Ou pas, en fait, je sais pas de quelle police je suis. Oh, encore.
Back in the 40s, they used to lower miners down this shaft here. See these rusted bolts? They're still wedged in the wall.
That's insane. Why didn't they just build stairs?
Stairs wouldn't have felt as heroic, I guess.
Hey, Luke, hold up a sec.
Come on, you'll miss the good part. There's a chamber up ahead.
Isolates sound so well you will hear your blood moving.
Merde!
Elliot? Elliot! Hey, this isn't funny! Shit! Where'd you go? Where'd you...
Luke, what the hell are you doing here?
Elliot's gone. We were just looking around and then...
Where did he go?
He went deep down this passage, I think.
Damn it. Stay behind me.
Open shaft entry. Ouais, on peut rentrer là-dedans. Et est-ce que je peux aller voir le ailleurs dans la mine avant? Grotte de Scale fait partie du réseau de cavernes de Vallon Murmure. Elle est connue pour ses passages étroits, ses formations minérales d'une grande beauté et une rivière souterraine. Eau fraîche. Ouh. Attends, c'est écrit quoi? Ne pas sortir des limites du chemin, le sentier n'est pas recommandé pour les enfants et les individus à mobilité réduite. Soyez toujours munis d'une carte, d'eau et d'une lampe torche. Certains visiteurs ont rapporté avoir entendu des sons étranges dans la zone. Ces phénomènes seraient causés par les propriétés acoustiques uniques de la grotte. Et ces murs au granit dense. Et ici, je peux voir une autre porte verrouillée. Ok. Bon, allez, on va aller voir dans le trou où on s'est faufilé, là. Oh. Hello! Oh mon dieu. Il y a du gaz? Alors le bruit que j'entends me rassure pas. Hein. On dirait une sorte de tronçonneuse ou une connerie du genre, tu vois.
Lights are on, huh?
Ça rassure pas, ça. C'est écrit void. En anglais, ça veut dire le vide. Ça fait un moment qu'il a pas parlé. Oh non, encore? Elle marche à la frontière entre la lumière et l'obscurité. Son retour est promis, je le proclame. The fuck. Et il y a du sang aussi. Et on entend le fourche-langue hein, depuis tout à l'heure. Quelqu'un a allumé des bougies ici par contre. Hein. Un autre totem. Oh merde. Je vais devoir revenir. Faut que j'aille voir d'abord le message. Parce qu'il y a un message à trouver de l'autre côté. Oh my god!
Friends. Some of you still do not understand why we chose this place. This rock under us, solid granite, rich in quartz, and quartz amplifies energy. It's like a nature's antenna. These lakes around us, they carry vibrations, like a tuning fork. And the Earth's magnetic field, here, it's just different. It's an anomaly of sort. It makes this place unstable, yes, but powerful. And that's why we're here. Even though this cave bears the name of God Skell, we won't be praying to gods. We're going to tune ourselves to something bigger. Time itself.
Ah.
The Ouroboros resonator is built to do just that. Is it crude? Oh yes, friends, a little. But it works. It has worked. All we need is the right signal. But also a vessel strong enough to carry the charge when the door opens for us. Time isn't a line, friends. Time isn't a line, friends.
Le temps n'est pas rectiligne. Et ils ont parlé d'un résonateur Ouroboros. Donc en fait, il y aurait une sorte de machine qui permettrait de faire résonner le temps. Et c'est peut-être pour ça en fait qu'on a des lags temporels depuis tout à l'heure et qu'on voit des échos du passé.
What the hell is this? Looks fucked up.
Une machine carrément. C'est ça le résonateur? Et ils ont besoin d'un réceptacle.
The serpent eats itself, not out of hunger, but out of knowing. Friends, We've spent decades tuning into frequencies that stretch beyond just flesh. We thought the symbol of Ouroboros was simply a repetition, but it is resonance. It is with resonance that we can speak through time.
D'accord.
These coils, one comes on each pylon. They must align with the spine of the resonator. That's when the signal stabilizes. This vessel, it's not a sacrifice, not death, but transformation. You hold great power, my friend. When all aligns, we will open the way. Time will speak. You see, everything has a natural frequency, even time itself. The resonator will carry our signal, not through air, not space, but through the membrane between now and what was. Now, friends, take out your devices. Let us listen.
Ah, c'est des radios. Les mêmes radios que moi.
I can feel it, friends. We're making contact. Here it comes. Do you hear it? It's...
The fuck?
Right, that's one of the three.
En fait, j'ai branché l'appareil pour retrouver le gamin. Je pense qu'ils ont utilisé le gamin comme un réceptacle. Et ils l'ont balancé dans la machine. C'est pour ça qu'il a dit avant qu'il s'en rebranche. Du coup, c'est pas, il y a pas d'alien dans le jeu. C'est vraiment en fait des scientifiques qui ont utilisé une sorte de machine pour parler à travers le temps et les dimensions. Ok. Je trouvais un verre.
This is the exact same picture I found in Fred's room.
Fred.
Victor's on the left.
Fred est lié à tout ça.
Be kidding me.
Découvrez le secret de Fred.
Fucker.
Fred fait partie du culte. J'ai découvert le secret de Fred, les amis. Ils sont arrivés
Harvey, I
jusqu'ici?
swear he was just here. Elliot!
Damn it, Jenkins. Why would you bring him out here?
Look, it's not a crime to want to cheer up a kid. How could I have known he would just wander off?
There's something up with the caves down here.
Yeah, that lift in looked like it was left here by the miners. How did that even get here? Hey, Harv! You with me?
I swear
What was that? You heard something?
No, I thought I saw... whatever.
Oh, this is... not good.
What the hell is this place?
Un temple?
What the...
It's... the light.
Listen, we've got to go back and call the police.
It's somehow connected.
Harvey, let's go!
You remember the night David and the others went missing?
David?
Son frère.
Are you still...
Some of the visitors remember seeing strange lights in the distance.
Listen, whatever this is, we're getting someone.
It's strange. I feel like I'm right next to him. Like I'm...
Oh! Merde. Oh!
I saw him. What the fuck just happened? Luke? The light is the circle. The light is the circle.
Il s'est dédoublé et il y a
So
l'autre qui...
this is what happened to Harvey. But what about Luke? Why didn't he say anything?
Je crois qu'il allait pas bien. Ok, j'ai les 3 dispositifs. Ok, maintenant c'est bon. J'ai les appareils. Je vais pouvoir les mettre. Hop, la rouge. La verte. Et j'active. Oh! Elliot!
Elliot, hey, are you with me? What the hell are they doing to you?
Elliot! Tiens bon mon pote! Je mets de la musique! Il va s'en aller, il aime pas la musique le monstre! Let's go! Je gère la radio les gars, je gère la radio! J'ai même pas vu qu'on pouvait passer par... Oh putain, ça marche! C'est bon, c'est bon.
Tell me what's going on.
Wow, wow, wow.
Cindy, copy.
That's it.
Non.
One pylon's down.
Ah, faut dire... Oh mon dieu, combien de temps? Oh, il y en a deux! Oh my god! J'avais pas vu qu'il y en avait deux en même temps! Wow, 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 wow! Wow!
I'm not running. I'm not...
Get out of the kinetic. Tell me if you need
Wow! Oh non! Ah non, le jeu! C'est incroyable!
What the hell was
Plus qu'un, plus qu'un.
I was...
Ok. Vas-y, Elliot! I believe! Oh non. C'est bon? Allez, on y croit, on y croit. Allez, Elliot, tiens bon, tiens bon. Je dois juste tourner en rond avec la radio. Yes! Wow, Elliot, je lag! Je lag, Elliot! Je me TP partout, je suis désolé, Elliot! Je sais pas si je pourrais rester ici longtemps! Oh. Fuck! Je suis revenu au début du jeu sans faire exprès!
I got it.
Allez, Elliot!
Now let's get Elliot.
Sors de là! Sors de là, bonhomme! On y va, on y va, on y va! Là, je gère trop, les gars. Je suis trop fort en écoutage de radio. J'ai plus de 30 ans, hein. Bientôt 40, hein.
Rob, you here? I've got Elliot. He's alive. Just passed out. I'm out of the caves. I just laid Elliot down by the tree here.
Ethan, thank God we're here. I've got folks coming in. Where are you?
We're at the parking lot. Fuck. I just gotta catch my breath.
Yeah, I think I see the kid. They're rushing in to help him. Where are you, Ethan?
I'm right here.
What do you mean here? Elliot's here and you're where?
Oh non, je suis dans les backrooms!
What do you mean?
Je suis...
We're standing at the parking lot right now.
What? Je suis devenu interdimensionnel. Ça se finit comme ça? On a réussi à ramener le gamin, mais nous on est piégés maintenant.